Hi, I'm Kendall with Kendall's Greenhouse. Thanks for joining me in my greenhouse today. I have a special guest coming this morning in about 25 minutes, so I'm going to try to set up this area as more of a sitting room than it is right now. I'm going to clean up a little bit and set up the table over here. So come along and let's get some work done. So while I sit here and peel these stickers, you can probably hear the water boiling. I'm sharing this with you, but I am not that experienced of a host. I have a lot to learn. I think I need a lot more dishes. Like, I didn't bring any dishes down to put the sugar in, or I don't have any spoons. I think I'd like to get some real plates. I was looking at Emma Bridgewater online, maybe. I think they just named David Austin Rose after her. She has beautiful pottery online, so maybe I'll get some of that for the greenhouse. If you have ideas, let me know in the comments. I'm picking the tags off of these. So I'm gonna wash some mugs and these ramekins. I got these because I needed something to put tea bags or tea balls into that wouldn't be too messy, but also I could use them for soaking seeds or other things in here, so maybe I'll even get some more cordon bleu. So I'm gonna go rinse this out. I also got this container and I filled it with ice water, and I got some plastic cups. So that's an option for thirsty people. There, I don't know what I'm doing. I got lots of room over there. Maybe I brought a little towel. Maybe it goes on the towel. All right, the two mugs we're featuring today are Garden Answer and The Garden Life from YouTube. Need to rinse those out. Wipe those out. Got my ramekins. Did I have paper towels in here somewhere? I feel like I kind of don't. Let me take a look. I'll just use one of my napkins. Just making sure these are nice and clean. All right, you're gonna have to let me know what you think. I'll take you over there. Oh boy. You can see the honey bucket and the guys working behind my house. Let's get closer than that even. Maybe they're almost done. They're putting the saw away. Okay, here we have, is that flat? We have our mugs ready for tea. We've got a treat. We've got sweeteners, spoon. I've got a little tea ball for my Hello Garden teas. I'm actually not even sure if I need them. I have her full packs of teas in the house, so if I have a chance to get back in there and get those, I'll pull those out. I've got my mugs, and then over here I have a little water station. So I think that's pretty good for now. Right by my chairs. Oh, I'm gonna wipe that little table off there. It's a little dirty. Let's put you here. So that's my setup. My guest is supposed to be here in 3 minutes. What do you think? Do you have any tips for me? I'm not an expert host, just doing my best to have some treats and some tea ready for my friend. And let me know in the comments if you have ideas for me. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you again in the greenhouse soon.